If you're new to my channel, please view Introducing 1400 Plus Roots. Welcome to Dr. Lee's Anatomy Academy Compound Term Series, Compound Terms Urology Series. Some root words conjure up figurative images. Others are simply a translation to Latin or Greek. Take ferens, for example, simple meaning, carrying, derived from ferry, Latin verb to carry, and that's used in the term efferent, arterial, meaning arteries that carry away. The following roots are metaphors for urinary terms. I challenge the viewers to find corresponding terms. Take note of their classical meaning and work out what terms they're used in urology. Glomerulus, meaning a small ball of rolled up yarn. Plasma, Greek noun, something molded or formed. Fenestra, Latin plural, fenestrae, window or opening. Pelvis, plural is pelvis, meaning a basin. Paris, plural, parietis, a wall. Atrium, meaning open air section of the roof of a Roman homes to collect rainwater. Calyx, plural calyces, a chalice or drinking cup. Cortex, plural cortices, nutshell, bark, or outer shell of seeds. Macula, plural maculae, spot, blemish or stain. Osmus, Greek noun, plural osmosis, meaning push, thrust, or exertion. English speakers, bear in mind that most root words are already part of your English vocabulary. As you learn the terms, you will recognize these roots easily. Recall will become easier. The following Greek and Latin roots are matched together to form compound terms in the urinary system. The list is not exhaustive, but they will give you a head start to mastery. Take a few minutes to be familiar with the roots. Memorizing them is not necessary. Welcome back to Compound Terms Urology Series. Compound term, adrenal gland. Brief definition, also known as suprarenal gland. Gland superimposed on the kidney. Excretes several hormones influencing water homeostasis and the autonomic nervous system. Related term, adrenal medullary mechanism. Brief definition, adrenal medulla releases epinephrine and norepinephrine during high sympathetic stimulation to the heart and blood vessels. Related term, adrenaline, also known as epinephrine. Brief definition, adrenergic, a stimulant hormone produced in the adrenal gland, influences the autonomic nervous system. Term morphology, adrenaline figuratively means hormone gland above the kidney. Compound of ad plus ren plus alis. Ad means two or two words. Ren is derived from renus, meaning kidney. Al is a suffix denoting adjective, and in is a suffix denoting protein or hormone, as in insulin. There you have it, compound term, adrenal gland. Compound term, adrenergic hormones. Brief definition, collected terms for epinephrine and norepinephrine, stimulant hormones from adrenal gland that influence the sympathetic autonomic nervous system. Term morphology, adrenergicus, literally means the energy from the adrenal gland. Compound of ad plus ren plus ergon plus icus. Ad means two or two words. Ren is derived from rens, the kidney. Erg is derived from ergon, meaning work. And ic is a suffix denoting ability and function. There you have it, compound term, adrenergic hormones. Compound term, afferent arterial. Brief definition, arterial that enters the renal corpuscles, that is the Bowman's capsule, filters blood through the glomerular network. Term morphology, compound of ad plus ferens, metaphorically means carrying two. Af is derived from ad, towards or to. Ferens, carrying, is derived from ferry, verb, to carry. There you have it, compound term, afferent arterial. Compound term, aldosterone. Brief definition, product of the adrenal cortex and zona glomerulosa that is necessary for water, sodium, potassium, and hydrogen homeostasis in blood circulation. Term morphology, aldo plus ester plus -one. Aldo is the aldehyde alcohol dehydrogenated with one molecule of carbohydrates. Ester is sterol unsaturated polycyclic alcohols. Acid plus alcohol derives one molecule of water. "-one" is a suffix that denotes ketones. There you have it, compound term aldosterone. Compound term angiotensin. Brief definition: hormones derived from angiotensinogen plus renin plus angiotensin converting enzyme. Product: angiotensin 2, a potent vasoconstrictor that constricts veins, causing higher peripheral resistance and elevated blood pressure. Related term: angiotensin converting enzyme. Enzyme means leaven, metaphor for the action of yeast. Brief definition: enzyme affecting small blood vessels in the lungs to influence blood pressure by vasoconstriction. Term morphology: angiotensin figuratively means hormone for blood vessel constriction. Compound of angio plus tens plus in. Angio is derived from angios. Tens is for tension. In is a suffix denoting hormone or protein, as in insulin. There you have it, compound term angiotensin. Awareness of the metaphors and imagery of the terms will help you learn faster and recall with ease. A good command of anatomy and physiology terms will inspire confidence in your professors and colleagues, and you in your own abilities. Dr. Lee's Anatomy Academy, a small step back, a giant leap forward to the mastery of anatomy and physiology. Subscribe, like, ring, and share.